wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mini screwdriver sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, you might save yourself some effort with the ruputas wowstick 1F Plus, an electric model with 56 bits as well as a bright LED to keep you from squinting in the dark. It boasts a slim aluminum alloy housing that's attractively sleek and no trouble to hold. It runs on an included lithium battery and charges in about 40 minutes. However, it is on the pricier side. At number 9, a dependable choice for fixing mobile devices and gaming consoles, the Vastar 78-in-1 is comprised of professional-grade components in a compact kit for organization and portability. It's a solid selection for work on stereos and other sizable electronics as well. It comes with a wrist strap, a cleaning cloth, and triangle pry openers. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Nanch Small comes with 22 bits and includes specialty types like hex, slotted, tri-wing, and pentalobe. It's a no-brainer for professional electronics repair workers or someone who spends an inordinate amount of time tinkering with devices. It features rust-resistant alloy steel blades and an easy-to-adjust telescopic handle. However, its magnetism isn't very strong. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini screwdriver sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, designed specifically for delicate repairs to both laptops and desktops, the StarTech toolkit comes with 7 screwdrivers and a hard plastic case. It's not the sturdiest set, but it will get the job done if your needs are basic. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and includes handy magnetic shafts, but the black paint chips off the tips easily. Moving up our list to number 6. With the affordable and well-organized sourcingbay multipurpose, you'll have access to as many bits as you'll likely ever need, even if you spend hours each week disassembling laptops and phones. It's also suitable for work on small handheld gaming systems. It includes a clear-lidded storage tray and a high-quality flexible adapter. However, the handle could be more secure. Halfway up our list at number 5. The myriad components of the Tekton Rescue all tuck into a zippered carrying case with soft, resilient walls that protect the tools and make them a breeze to access. It's also convenient for storage, as you can simply toss it into a drawer when you're done with it. You get a total of 46 pieces, including prying spudgers, but the tips on these bend more easily than some. At number 4, a versatile option that comes with 56 useful bits, the Oria Magnetic is a worthwhile investment for the repairman who frequently works on anything from small to medium-sized items like mobile phones or cameras to large household appliances. Each bit is labeled by size and it includes a bendable shaft for reaching into tight spaces. However, the pieces tend to slide around in the case. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Built with heavy-duty, precise tips for accurate fastening, the greenlee Precision employs a rust-resistant, chrome-plated finish to prevent chipping and limit slipping. Though the tools feel light and balanced in your hand, you can still apply a solid amount of torque. These meet or exceed ASME standards, and the handles identify the size and type. They come with cushioned grips for comfort. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini screwdriver sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, each tool in the wiha 4-piece is made with the well-balanced handles you'll need for completing sensitive work on devices that require extra care. The high-performance blades are made of steel with a hard chrome finish to ensure a long, productive life. These are equipped with rotating caps for easy turning and are ideal for work on eyeglasses. The tapering provides a good grip. And taking the top spot on our list. If you're tired of short-term solutions and want to invest in a kit you can use for a decade or longer, take a look at the Wera Kraftform Micro. The handles provide balance and a reliable grip, and it comes with a tiny hex head for detailed work on watches. It features swiveling caps for fast twisting, durable corrosion-resistant tips, and a case with loops for extra tools. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini screwdriver sets, or simply click beneath this video.